Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech News Updates X. Today, something incredible is happening in India's tech scene. Google Cloud and Tech Bharat have launched the first AI Center of Excellence. But is this just another corporate headline, or could this be the start of India's rise as a global AI powerhouse? Let's dive in, and I'll share my honest thoughts on why this matters and where it could lead. So, here's the scoop. Google Cloud is teaming up with Tech Bharat to open this new AI hub. At first glance, it seems like just another tech giant expanding in India, but there's so much more planned. Research, training, and real solutions for local issues. This feels way bigger than just a headline. No wonder it's going viral on social media. I just saw a video of a German traveler raving about India's trains, food, and especially the 5G network being ahead of what she experiences back home. People are starting to see India as the place where tech innovation happens first. There's a sense of pride in the air, and honestly, it feels well deserved. Now, here's my take: an AI center like this could really change how we use artificial intelligence in our daily lives. It's not just for big companies, it could lead to real solutions in healthcare, education, and city infrastructure. If they get it right, India could leap ahead, not just following global tech trends, but actually setting them. But there's a risk: if all this innovation stays in big cities, it won't spread fast enough. The goal should be real impact everywhere, not just another headline. And it's not just Google making waves. At the India Mobile Congress, I saw Ericsson and other global players rolling out AI and 5G updates tailored for India. There are memes, tweets, and Instagram reels celebrating Indian tech. It's amazing to think that just a few years ago, people felt left behind. And now the world is paying attention. Here's my honest opinion: India is on the brink of something big. It's not just about Google building a fancy lab, it's about local innovation and global recognition coming together at the right moment. If the government, startups, and big tech keep pushing together, India could really become the next viral tech leader. And that's not just hype. So, what do you think? Is India just catching up, or is it actually leading now? Comment your thoughts below. Let's get a discussion going. And don't forget to subscribe for deeper, more analytical takes in every video.